In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with images in Lucidchart. If you've ever wanted to make your diagrams come to life with the right visuals, you're in for a treat. We'll start with opening your Lucidchart diagram, and for this demonstration, we'll be using a blank template. Starting with a clean slate makes it easier to focus on the steps of incorporating images. Now, take a look at the left side of your screen. You should see a toolbar with various icons. Among them is the image icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action prepares Lucidchart for importing images, and it's the first step in enhancing your design with visuals. Once you've clicked the image icon, your next move is to click on the import icon. Don't be overwhelmed by the number of options you'll see. This feature is designed to give you flexibility and control. You'll notice that Lucidchart offers different options for importing your images, such as image, GIF, and OneDrive. This flexibility allows you to integrate different types of media depending on your presentation needs. For this demonstration, we're going to focus on using the image option. It's straightforward and a great way to get comfortable with incorporating images into your diagrams. Select the image option and a dialog box will pop up. This is where you can browse through your files and choose the perfect image to import. Once you've selected and imported the image, you'll see it appear within your diagram. Now, here's where you can get creative. You can move and resize the image to fit perfectly into your design by clicking and dragging it. Adjusting the size and position of the image ensures that it complements your diagram's layout and serves its communicative purpose effectively. And there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate images into your Lucidchart diagrams. This feature is incredibly useful for adding context or visual appeal, whether you're working on flowcharts, mind maps, or organizational charts. Keep in mind that your design's effectiveness often depends on how well the visuals align with your informational goals. So, take your time to experiment with positioning and sizing until you get it just right. So, there you have it, a seamless way to enrich your diagrams with images in Lucidchart. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and be sure to apply these steps to bring your creative ideas to life. Thanks for tuning in and happy diagramming.